Making money has never been so easy. Learn how to make a full-time income with these 11 tips on how you can replicate my success and get started today. Hi, welcome to Money Invest. I'm going to teach you the 11 best ways to make money online in 2022. These are all proven ways of making an online living in 2022, but remember, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. These take work, so let's get started, shall we? Make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the notifications bell so that you know exactly when new content is released. Also, let us know your questions and thoughts below or video topics you want us to cover, as we always take your comments into consideration and love hearing from you all. The United States is on track to break its record for the newest business applications in a year by nearly 50%, according to the U.S. Census Bureau. More people want to know how to make money online for free every day. They want to get out of their unfulfilling, boring, or otherwise undesirable employment and start their own business from the comfort of their homes. They want to achieve it without spending the limited resources they have. Today, we're going to show you how to do just that. No catch and no cash required to get started. We'll look at 11 of the most effective ways to generate money online in 2022. 1. Do research online. If you're looking for a way to make some extra money, consider doing research online as a freelancer. There are many companies and organizations that are willing to pay for high-quality research, and by using your own skills and knowledge, you can be well on your way to earning a great income. The best part about conducting research online is that you can do it from anywhere in the world. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. You can set your own hours and work as much or as little as you want. And because you're working independently, you can choose the projects that interest you the most. For example, Wonder posts openings for online researchers on a regular basis. They hire virtual researchers to get high-quality answers to the questions asked by customers. Collecting statistics, explaining market trends, and determining competitive terrains are just a few examples of tasks. You can also apply to the internet research jobs on Upwork and Indeed. If you're ready to start making money by doing research online, there are a few things you need to do in order to get started. First, create a list of your skills and qualifications. Then, search for companies or organizations that are looking for someone with your particular skill set. Once you've found a few potential clients, reach out to them and see if they're interested in working with you. If they are, then it's time to start doing some high-quality research and earning some extra cash. 2. Become a content creator. Anyone with a computer and an internet connection can start making money by creating content. Whether you're a musician, a filmmaker, a photographer, or a writer, there's a content platform out there that's looking for your creative talent. And with the right strategy, you can build a following of loyal fans who are eager to support your work. The key is to create quality content that provides value to your audience. If you can do that, you'll be well on your way to becoming a successful content creator. For example, you're consuming content right now. Instead of being a consumer, you could be a creator of content, meaning you create your own YouTube channel, your own Facebook, your Instagram, your own TikTok, or a blog. You can create content on a certain topic or a niche that you have an interest or a passion for. So do you have a passion right now? Maybe it's video games, sports, or maybe it's business and investing. You can make money on the internet about all the things that are relevant and important to you. To get started, first identify the content platform that's right for you. YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook are all popular options, but there are many other platforms to choose from as well. Once you've selected a platform, it's time to start creating quality content that your audience will love. If you can do that, you'll be well on your way to making money as a content creator. If you are enjoying the video and found it helpful, please leave a like on this video and comment, as this goes a long way and helps support our channel. We'd appreciate it. So let's get back to it. 3. Review websites and apps. If you're looking for a way to make some extra money, you may want to consider becoming a website or app reviewer. By providing feedback on websites and apps, you can help developers improve the user experience and make money at the same time. Paid review sites like usertesting.com provide an easy way to get started, and you can typically complete a review in just 15-20 minutes. Testbirds is another platform where you can test digital products, stores, and mobile apps. When you're evaluating websites, functionality and how quickly they load are two of the most important factors to consider. The pay you get will be determined by the marketplace you work with and the testing strategies you employ. In most cases, you'll make more money if you're willing to do one-on-one testing sessions over video conferencing with clients. You won't have to pay a sign-up fee with any of these companies, so you can start tracking websites and earning money immediately. 4. Become an online travel agent. Do you have any idea where to locate the greatest airfare and holiday packages? Working from home as a virtual travel agent might be an option. Travel agents are paid to assist people in planning their vacations and personal trips. Many people turn to travel agents to make their travels simpler by arranging their arrivals and departures, as well as hotel reservations and sightseeing tours. So, many people rely on travel agents to make their trips less difficult. To work as an online travel agent, you don't need any particular qualifications. To ensure a pleasant journey for your clients at the cost they specify, you'll need research and organization skills. You may benefit from partnerships with a number of businesses to save money and provide your clients with discounts. 5. Join an affiliate program. One of the easiest ways to start making money online is to join an affiliate program. As an affiliate, you promote products or services on behalf of a company and earn a commission for every sale that you generate. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money passively. You can continue to earn commissions for months or even years after you make the initial sale. And the best part is that you can start with very little upfront investment. You don't need to create your own products or services, and you can get started immediately. Contrary to popular belief, affiliate marketing does not need blog advertising to succeed. You may use your social media accounts, such as Instagram and Facebook, to promote businesses and make money. So if you're looking for a way to make money online, joining an affiliate program is a great place to start. 6. Transcribe audio and video files. While artificial intelligence is being used to assist with speech-to-text transcription, it isn't yet perfect. Many businesses, therefore, count on transcriptionists to convert audio from videos and speech files into accurate text. You may secure a part-time position with a firm like Rev or work freelance for several firms on various projects. Most businesses allow you to pick which tasks you work on and create your own schedule. The greatest thing is that you won't have to make any investments at first. All you need are the speakers that come standard with your computer to transcribe. To be successful as a transcriber, you'll need to improve your typing abilities. Your work needs to be error-free and easy for clients to comprehend. Start by transcribing short audio files so you'll be ready to look for work with transcription services when the time comes. 7. Offer social media consultancy. If you're looking to make some extra money, why not start offering social media consultancy? With so many businesses now relying on social media for marketing and customer outreach, there's a big demand for experts who can help them navigate the ever-changing landscape. As a social media consultant, you could charge hourly rates for your services, or even offer package deals for ongoing support. And best of all, you can work from anywhere. All you need is a laptop and an internet connection. So if you're ready to start cashing in on your social media savvy, there's no time like the present. 8. Start a successful podcast. Audio material is becoming increasingly popular as a viable content marketing strategy. According to a recent survey, 32% of Americans listen to podcasts on a monthly basis, which is the same amount that attends church regularly. A podcast is a great way to share your ideas and earn some extra income. And the best part is, anyone can start a podcast with just a few simple steps. First, choose a topic that you're passionate about and that you think other people would be interested in hearing about. Then, record your episodes and upload them to a popular podcasting platform like iTunes or SoundCloud. Finally, promote your show by sharing it with your friends and social media followers. If you build up a large enough audience, you can start charging for sponsorships or advertising. So, if you're looking for a new way to make some money, starting a podcast could be the perfect solution. 9. Become a virtual assistant. If you enjoy organizing and preparing things, working as a virtual assistant might be an excellent source of additional income online. A virtual assistant is someone who provides administrative support to businesses and individuals from a remote location. This can include tasks like scheduling appointments, managing email accounts, and providing customer service. As the world becomes increasingly digitized, there is a growing demand for virtual assistants, and best of all, you can do this work from the comfort of your own home. So if you're looking for a flexible way to earn some extra cash, becoming a virtual assistant is definitely worth considering. Number 10 and number 11 are not business related, yet these are still methods to generate money online. So if you are enjoying the video and found it helpful, please leave a like on this video and comment, as this goes a long way and helps support our channel. We appreciate it. Let's get back to it. 10. Invest in cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. It is not backed by any government or central bank. Bitcoin, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, was created in 2009. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized and often anonymous. They are often traded on decentralized exchanges and can also be used to purchase goods and services. Cryptocurrency is often seen as an investment opportunity. There's obviously some volatility and risk that goes with cryptocurrency as well, but cryptocurrency was the best performing asset class in 2021. However, there is also the risk of losses, so it is important to do your research before investing. If you're looking for a way to make money, investing in cryptocurrency could be a good option. Just be sure to educate yourself before making any decisions. You can check out our videos on cryptocurrency basics. I'll link the videos in the description. Be sure to check it out. 11. Investing in the stock market. Making money by investing in the stock market is not as difficult as one might think. With a little research and patience, almost anyone can start generating extra income by making wise investments. Of course, there is always some risk involved in any type of investment, but by careful planning and diversifying one's portfolio, it is possible to minimize risks and maximize profits. Perhaps the easiest way to get started is using the wealth of free information available online. Once you have a better understanding of how the stock market works, you can start making your own investment decisions and reaping the rewards. Who knows, with a little luck and savvy investing, you could become the next Warren Buffett. Now, if you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please show your support by hitting the thumbs up button, subscribing to our channel, and turning on the notifications bell so that you can keep up to date with new content releases. Also, leave your questions and thoughts below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.